Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have REDMI Watch 6 and today I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So let's get started. First you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on this watch face to open the watch face menu. And once the menu opens, you can scroll through the list of watch faces, look for something you like, and once you find the watch face you enjoy, you can simply tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch. Like this. And that's how you change the watch face on the watch. You can also use the phone application, if your watch is paired with a phone, to change the watch faces. So if we grab the phone that is paired with our watch, close this, zoom out the camera, so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Mi Fitness application. Okay, let's close this, go to devices, and here we have manage watch faces. We can tap on it. Right here you have online store, so you can basically download additional watch faces. So if you decide to download something, you can tap on it, then tap on apply. It will start installing, and once it's done, it will be applied on your watch. Like this. And if you just want to change the watch face from the ones that are already installed on your watch, you need to select the local category right here at the top. Here you have the list of watch faces installed on our watch, and you can select the one you like, for example this one, and then tap on apply to apply it, and it will be applied immediately. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.